Threadbranders is proud to promote our newest form of apparel decoration, laser branding. It is the laser that burns your brand or logo into a garment, as you see here on a fleece. One thing that sets us apart is we can do the image in any location. On here you see it going on a collar. Another example is right here where the image is actually going to go right over the zipper. The image burns the surface of the garment, turning the image a darker shade of that material. What's also unique is that no material is used. So this is actually an eco-friendly product, because the only thing it's using is the electricity, which all processes of printing use. Here's an example of a darker colored garment. Traditionally, lighter color materials are better for this process. What we did here for Niagara University is we did a tone-on-tone look. So the darker material will just produce a slightly darker image on there. What we did here too is actually we did the logo very large because it's a tone-on-tone look. With this new polyester material that they have out, this is a perfect process for it. It doesn't add a lot of weight to the garment, which silk screening and embroidery does do that. So you can see this is a very large image. It creates a real unique look for the client because it's not the traditional left chest logo size. And this is for the alumni. And which member of that school wouldn't be proud to have that and wear that? Now check this out. This is a process that the laser is good at. You can see at the very top edge of this stripe, it's perfectly straight, and even with the bottom edge, it's perfectly straight. This is a process that isn't easily achieved with silkscreen or embroidery. Now this one here is another example of a polyester shirt. Now this is a lighter color shirt, so the image is being burned a darker color. When I say burn, it's just taking the very, very tip of that material and just singeing it just a little bit to create that darkened effect to it. Now here too, we're doing a polo shirt, the full size basically of the left. It's not a left chest; it's a full size of the shirt. One thing it also does is going to go right over that seam. So this is really creating that custom, unique look that you wouldn't really get if just putting a logo on the left chest. There's also a lot of detail in this logo, so it looks pretty cool, large, or if you get it real small, you tend to lose the detail in the chains. Now the other thing with this process is it won't fade or burn. It won't fade or wear off because it's actually just burning the top surface of the material. The other thing it does, it gives the product a real high-end look. Something that people haven't seen before. So everyone that we show this to say, wow, that's cool, that's different. And people like cool, people like different. This one here, you notice there's a big seam on the back, a ventilation seam. Traditionally with silkscreen or embroidery, you would definitely not be able to go over that. You would either have to print this garment up before and then sew it together as you make the shirt, which leads to a long lead time. In this situation, the Bisons, local baseball team, wanted to create a strong image and have their logo very large in the back, but still have they like the particular jacket. And you can see here it's going to go right over that seam without a problem. So the image is actually being burned in right now, right over that seam, and those two seams are going to line up perfectly. And also right underneath that, which you'll see a little bit later on, there is a piece of Velcro that holds that together right in the center of that. And that's not affecting this process at all. So to do this jacket would be very expensive overseas to do the two separate processes. Where here we can get this image on for less than $10. Now when you combine this process with silkscreen and embroidery, we can really make unique looks for you. And that'll be the next YouTube video coming out, that's showing you how you can combine different processes to really get creative, unique images out there. But this is a great process to use on polyester materials and to create that unique image. So watch for some more videos coming out and some cool things that'll get your logo noticed in the marketplace. So give us a call at 213-9998, extension 0. And right now he's going to show you, it'll be a close-up, and it'll show you the actual Velcro piece that was there. Notice how fine that detail is.